Alright guys, how are you too? So I'm going to be opening up a package of something that I found on eBay. So do me a favor, well, please take your guys' guesses below. What do you think it'll be? Oh look, I can already see it. And this paper does not come on easy at all. So how's your guys' day today? Yeah. You can see it a little bit. There we go. Alright, it is Looney Tunes. It is a Looney Tunes Penelope. I have been looking for one of these for a very long time. And I finally found one. I love it because it has the heart. There we go. But yeah, guys, we got a Looney Tunes Penelope. Look at that. 2012 Sugarloaf Looney Tunes Penelope. And yeah, look at this. So cool. Valentine Heart Penelope. Alright, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. If you enjoyed it, give it a like. If you dislike, give it a dislike. If you don't enjoy, subscribe. Alright, see you guys in the next video. Peace!